My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes. First, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little things. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. As smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckle. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party to arrive. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carrying on, safety string, fear of heights, keep your hands on the inside at all times. Yeah. Have a nice one.
All right, my friends in row 3, you'll follow me in first, row 2, follow right behind all of them.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here in EPCOT or wherever your final destination may take you.